I'm going to show you how I make a mountain man camp breakfast this morning. We'll get the briquette started in the chimney. I've got it about 3/4 full. Maybe 10 or 12 briquettes out in the bottom of this pan. Now I'll spread some briquettes around the edge of the top. Now that she's good and hot, we'll throw in a pound of sausage and let her cook up. Put the lid back on and look at the river for a minute. Now that the sausage is all browned up, we'll take it out and let it drain on some paper towels. I usually use hash browns or some kind of potato for this. Now that the potatoes are browned, I'm going to add half a diced onion and the contents of a can of green chilies. And while that cooks up, we'll take another look at the river. Okay, it's time to add the sausage back. I usually use a dozen eggs. I only had 9 at home, so I'll add those to the top of the mix here. I had about a cup or so of cheese in the refrigerator. I'm going to add that at this time. She's done. Looking good. We'll give it the old touch test for firmness. Make sure it's cooked in the middle. That's a pretty picture of a beautifully baked mountain man breakfast right there. Take a look at it. This one on its own will easily feed 8 people. Now that is some good eating. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.